Hello, this is Moneymaker. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to become rich. The first thing you want to do is first understand what is the old way from the 20th century of thinking being rich and the 21st century of being rich. Okay, so from the 20th century, everybody did this. Everybody did the same old fashion. Stay hard in school, graduate from university with a bachelor, master, or doctorate. Find a secure job, save money, pension, invest in pension after like 3 months and during your employment, or for one company your whole life, or you diversify, move around, and have social security, diversify your investments into reasonable blue chip stocks, CDs, mutual funds. Blue chip stocks are like stocks that are pennies on a dollar, but very relatively cheap. Mutual fund grows in the long term. And also people can invest in bonds, which go in long term. It's a government secured investment. Certificate of deposit is CD. You have to hold between 6 months to 1 year and you'll earn an interest. Like right now it's like 0.5%. You can go as high as like 1-2%. That's the old traditional thinking. That will not make you rich. By the time you hit retirement, you have about maybe $2 million income. After you take a retirement package, Social Security, $2 million. Budget out, 5 years, you're already finished using up all that money. Because you're going to travel, all that stuff that you didn't do when you were younger. Now it's the 21st century. The same thing is study hard in school, get a bachelor's degree. You don't need like a master or so forth. All you got to do is build a financial education concept, financial concept. Right, financial concept is like how to invest and what works, what doesn't work, risk and reward. Calculate all that out. And that's the next part we'll talk about is focus on your investments. You focus on your investments. Okay, if you let's say you want to study stock, buy some stock books, read, analyze, subscribe to Bloomberg News, Wall Street Journal, Forbes magazine to know who is successful. Buy successful people who have done it before, not buy like nobody you don't know. Let's say stock, Warren Buffett. If you want to do commodity, Larry Williams, and so forth. Consult with a financial advisor how to invest your stocks. Fidelity is a good place. You can invest your stock, T. Rowe Price. The basics. Safe investments can't protect you from stock market crashes because it doesn't make a difference. Let's say the AIG, right, American Insurance Group, filed for bankruptcy, not filed for bankruptcy, but stock market crash in 2001, damaged the market. A lot of people lost all their retirement funds. Example, 2001 stock market crash was the 9/11, which caused this crash, but it was like predetermined. But usually nobody listens to the media, whatever they say. 2008 housing market crash, which all financial institutions loan money. Okay, you have $100,000 house. They loan you a little bit more, 150,000, 150%. You can borrow more of your house equity. If you can't pay back, you lose your house, foreclosure, basic spiel. After the stomach crash, all banks lost a lot of money. Government had to bail them out. That's the only reason. Example is Colonel Sanders. Yeah, you could see the world good Kentucky Fried Chicken. He's a 62-year-old businessman. He has failed in business over 1,000 times and only achieved one success. He traveled to China and around the world to create the best fried chicken. And then you take on recipes, learn about the culture, learn what people like in a fried chicken from different countries, and incorporate in the United States to create a franchise. He sold the business after about 5 years later, some company bought it. Happy retirement. People didn't believe he can do it, but he never gave up. Hey, business thinking. What is it? There's a way to build a plan, a product, company, strategy, vision. You guys have to take risks. No risk, no reward. And you also got to learn from mistakes. Don't complain like, oh, you didn't know, I shouldn't have done this or something like that. Don't waste your time. Just learn from it and don't make the mistake. Again, wealth is measured in time, not money. What this means is it takes some time. You have to invest money first. And in the future, when you take action, you'll gain it back. Because you learn from all these people who made mistakes. Now you won't be the one making mistakes. What makes a businessman or a woman? They need to be financial literate. Invest in their education, know about every trend going on the market. Like real estate, know about current events. Stock, commodity, learn current events. But stock, in order to trade, you'll have to have a little bit inside information. That's the only way. In real estate, if you like want to buy an empty lot, want to convert it into a business, you need government connections. And it's better to find a mentor and build a team. First, you learn from a mentor. Then you do everything and create your own team. And you mentor more people. And then you get residual income over and over again. Why do these people don't like to work for others? Because they want to do it themselves. Why would you make a corporate? Oh, you get $100,000 a year. You got to land on a $2 million contract. They only pay you $100,000. It's making 100 times more income. So better do it yourself. And people always have to create money ideas. What other ways to make money? Simple like some on YouTube, right? Like people have problems cleaning up their house, what to keep, what to throw away. This person creates a whole YouTube channel, how to do it, and also create a business out of it. And it's very popular all over the world, but mostly in Asia. But Europe, everybody can do it. And when you become successful, you get back to the community, which will achieve more success in the future. Always learn from the economic history. History does tend to repeat itself. 2001, stock market crash. 2008, stock market crash, but the housing side. So every reaction will constitute another reaction. I think I was supposed to say something else, but you kind of get one. Okay. You also need to know accounting, how to calculate budget, expenses, balance sheets, income, profit, loss, and ratios. Taxes, forgot a lot of tax loopholes. Government offer them. I'll look for it. Alowowski is one. I'll put some information like who you guys should buy books from that will help you on these things. I'll put a little bit of it. And the remaining you guys will have to search for yourself. Government programs are a lot. Taxes, loopholes. Okay. Okay, what type of loopholes are there? Okay. Let's see. Education. Anything related to education is deductible. Business. You own a business, you had a meeting, 2-hour meeting, record the event, put the time, place, deduct meals. Meals only 50% based on tax loophole. Everything is deductible. If you're investing, invest in real estate. Invest in commodities. Commodities are a great way to make money as well. Options. Options are more better now because you put $250. You lose the investment. You hold it for about 1 or 2 weeks. If it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you're done. But you only lose $250. You not lose more than that. That's the benefit of options. But a lot of people have created businesses and closed them. Like example, Rich Dad Poor Dad, right? He built a successful business. He sold the company, he retired at age 40, 50, and now he just put a lot of information. He created a radio channel, he do a YouTube channel, about real estate, everything. His way is to teach you a financial concept. Learn from that. You do why. Okay, what type of business skills do you guys need? First is the ability to learn. You gotta learn in order to develop different tactics you're gonna use. You need knowledge, learning, training, and advanced training. So when you become successful, you'll need to know sales and marketing, how to promote the product, either social media, newspaper, brick and mortar stores, any way that drives traffic in. And always record which one is the best way. Management, how to manage your staff, how to delegate tasks. So they work for you, not you work for them. And that. In leadership, you have to develop a business plan. Scale your business, how much you want to make in the long term. Check out my business plan video. They'll teach you how to become a business owner, a plan, what it asks. I'll put a link to that description at the end of the video. Okay, investment side. What do you want to invest in? Okay, let's say stocks. Stocks, you gotta know a little bit insider information. You gotta know current events that will cause the stock market to go up or down. Always careful of that. Okay, if you want to be a casino professional player, all you gotta do, buy a book. Successful people who are not it. Google it. It's very simple. Buy the book, learn from it, create your own strategy, test in the casino, and make about a few hundred. $200 to $1,000. But always watch out for the casino that always watches people. If you win too much, you're gonna get yourself pretty much not banned, but they continue watching you for about a few months until they figure out what you're doing, and then they'll later when you come in next time they maybe ban you, or they give you VIP treatment for a while because they expect you to lose your money in the end. So always don't win too much. For commodity, best place to learn about commodity, go to Chicago. Chicago is a commodity market over there. It's all about the everyday things you buy, like computers, corn, cars. Those are commodities you can invest in. Forex is about currency, foreign exchange rates. Understand them? What's impacting in that country will affect the dollar value of that currency. Pay attention to that. Option. All you got, as I already told you, you invest at, let's say, $50 stock, but you count it by contracts. If it's like $50 you buy at, or you buy lower, let's say 48, right? $2 lower. Then if it goes like above 48, you guarantee profit. If it go below, you only lose. That's it. And you can only lose the maximum based on your investment. That's it. 250, 250. No more, no less. Real estate. Okay, investing in real estate. There's many types: residential, commercial, industrial, and vacant land. Okay, for commercial, if you have a storage unit, those are not gonna make a lot of money when you sell it. So vacant land, you need to know inside information. That's all I can say. Wholesaling, it's like dropshipping. Buy low, sell high. Alibaba's one of them. That's one of them to do. You can do eBay. eBay is like more like an auction site, but you can make money from it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with everyone so they know about how to become rich and enter the rich war. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.